We usually write the animation in our apps ourselves. After Flutter Engage, we researched a lot of Flutter packages on pub and found 2 awesome animation packages. The first package is Flutter Sweeper. Go to pub. There are many examples here. The second package is Flippable Box. These developers were just showing their multi-platform app Flutter Folio on Flutter Engage. There's also an example here. For this package, I also made an example with playing cards. And then I decided to combine these 2 great packages, and this is what we got. If you like these animations, go to pub and put your likes. The developers will be pleased. And don't forget to like the packages you use, it's the least you can do. Write in the comments, what packages do you use for animation?